Hello everyone, welcome to Angie's Home Cooking. Today I have curry goat with bulgur, cooked in coconut milk, added pigeon peas and sweet pepper with my vegetable on the side. Stay tuned to see how I did all this, and I'm asking you to like, comment and subscribe. Keep watching. As I said in an earlier video, if I'm doing curry chicken, brown stew chicken, curry goat, anything curried, I don't use oil at all because the meat produce oil on its own. Because when I'm finished cooking, I want gravy and not oil swimming on top or inside of the meat. So here am I going to pour my curry goat into this pot that had been here on the fire for about more than 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It's extra hot, super hot. I don't know how much degree I think can get hot too, but it's been on here a long time. Very, very hot. I poured some water inside of the meat. So this was curried from last night and marinating, so you know. So I pour some water into it, and now I'm gonna pour it into the pot. And I'm gonna let this cook. So I curried with my curry. Right now I have just scallion and pimento, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and I seasoned that from overnight. I don't use a lot of seasoning, people. It's mostly garlic powder and all-purpose Maggi seasoning that I use. So I'm gonna have this cooked slowly. I'm checking on my curry goat. At this point it's finished, totally cooked, and you can see all this gravy that is here. No oil was added to my pot. I just add some water to the raw meat with my seasoning and started cooking. And this is what we have here. Thick gravy curry goat that's looking good, tasting good. So you don't have to be cooking all this oil, throwing all this oil in your pot. You don't have to have your meat swimming in oil. This is gravy, pure gravy and not oil. So start cooking your curry goat without oil. So I'm going to move on to I'm going to serve my bulgur. I'm going to cook some bulgur.